Hello everyone, welcome back to my slow podcast. I'm Parsa and this is episode 2. In the last episode, we talked about how to think in English and stop translating. Today, we will continue with more tips and more practice to help you speak faster and more naturally. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Your support helps me make more podcasts for you. So, are you ready? Let's begin episode 2 together. Step 13. Describe your day in English. One of the best ways to think in English is to describe your daily life. When you wake up, say, I wake up. When you brush your teeth, say, I brush my teeth. When you eat breakfast, say, I eat breakfast. Simple sentences. No translation. Only English. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat eggs and bread. I drink tea. I put on my clothes. I go to school. I meet my friends. I study English. Excellent. This is daily English. This is thinking in English. Step 14. Talk about the future. Another great exercise is to talk about the future. What will you do tomorrow? What will you do next week? Don't translate. Just say it in English. Let's try. Tomorrow, I will study English. Tomorrow, I will call my friend. Tomorrow, I will go shopping. Tomorrow, I will watch a movie. Next week, I will read a book. Next week, I will practice speaking. Good job. Thinking about the future helps you use more English words. Step 15. Talk about the past. Now let's talk about the past. This is also very useful. What did you do yesterday? What did you do last week? Let's practice. Yesterday, I studied English. Yesterday, I played football. Yesterday, I watched TV. Yesterday, I ate pizza. Last week, I visited my cousin. Last week, I listened to a podcast. Last week, I learned 5 new words. Great! Now you are practicing past, present, and future. This is powerful. Step 16. Use objects around you. Look around you right now. What do you see? A chair. Say chair. A table. Say table. A phone. Say phone. A book. Say book. A bottle. Say bottle. This is simple, but very effective, because your brain connects the object directly with English. No translation. Just English. Step 17. Practice with emotions. Words are not only for objects. You can also practice emotions. Say how you feel. I am happy. I am sad. I am tired. I am excited. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am angry. I am relaxed. Emotions are part of daily life. If you use them in English, you will think in English faster. Step 18. Tell a small story now. Let's tell a small story. Don't worry. It can be very simple. For example, yesterday I went to the park. I walked slowly. I saw a big dog. The dog was friendly. I played with the dog. Then I bought an ice cream. I ate the ice cream. I felt happy. That's it. A short story. But it is English. And it is natural. Step 19. Connect sentences when you are comfortable. Start connecting sentences. For example, I wake up and I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast, then I go to school. I meet my friend and we talk. I study English, but I also study math. This is how sentences grow. Small sentences become big sentences, and your English becomes stronger. Step 20. Ask questions. Another good practice is to ask yourself questions. For example, what time is it? What am I doing now? What will I do later? Where is my phone? Who is my friend? Why am I learning English? Questions help your brain think faster. Because you are not only speaking, you are also thinking. Step 21. Answer your own questions. Now don't just ask questions. Answer them too. For example, what time is it? It is 3 o'clock. What am I doing now? I am listening to a podcast. What will I do later? I will practice English again. Where is my phone? It is on the table. Who is my friend? My friend is Ali. Why am I learning English? Because I want to travel. This is a full exercise. You ask. You answer. You think in English. Step 22. Use English with friends. If you have a friend who is also learning English, practice together. Even 5 minutes is enough. Make a rule. No translation, only English. Talk about simple things: food, school, hobbies, family. If you don't know a word, use easy words or body language. The goal is communication, not perfection. Mini practice 3. Let's practice together again. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am learning English. I am speaking English now. I am not afraid. I can do this. Good job. Say these sentences every day. They will give you confidence. Review of key ideas. Number 1. Don't translate. Think in English directly. Number 2. Use simple sentences. Short is better than long. Number 3. Use pictures and objects. Say what you see. Number 4. Use emotions. Say how you feel. Number 5. Tell small stories. Step by step. And number 6. Repeat every day. Practice makes progress. Common mistakes to avoid: some learners wait for perfect English. They think, I will speak only when my English is perfect. But this is a mistake. Perfection never comes. You must speak now. Another mistake, learning only grammar. Grammar is useful, but grammar without speaking is not enough. You need balance. And another mistake, practicing one day, then stopping. Learning a language is like exercise. If you stop, you lose power. So keep going. Even 10 minutes every day is better than nothing. Motivation, I know it is not always easy. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel shy. Sometimes you feel afraid of mistakes. But remember this, every mistake is a step forward. Every mistake is learning. Native speakers also make mistakes. So don't be afraid. Be proud. You are learning another language. That is amazing. Practical challenge now. I have a small challenge for you. After this podcast, look around your room. Choose 5 things. Say their names in English. Chair, table, book, phone, window. Then make 5 sentences with them. For example, the book is on the table. My phone is near the window. The chair is big. I like my book. I clean the table. Great. This is thinking in English. A personal message, my friends. When I started, I also felt shy. I was afraid to speak. I thought my accent was bad. But little by little, I improved. Now, I can speak freely. And so can you. If I can do it, you can too. Trust me. Step by step, day by day, you will get better. Closing and AMP, call to action. So, my friends, thank you for listening to my podcast. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope you practice after this episode. If you enjoyed this podcast, please do one thing for me. White right pointing backhand index, subscribe to my channel. White right pointing backhand index, like this video. White right pointing backhand index, and share it with your friends who want to learn English. Your support helps me a lot, and it helps me make more episodes for you. So don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. Together we can grow. Together we can learn. And together we can think in English. This is Parsa, and I believe in you. Thank you again, and see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.